Have you ever had a dead car battery or wall tire at the worst time? That's why I wanted to have this portable jump starter with a built-in air compressor in my car. This is a 2-in-1 device. It works as a 3000A car jump starter and also has a 150 psi air compressor. Let me show you how it works. It comes with jumper cables, air hose, different air nozzles and USB charging cable. The screen is easy to read and the buttons are simple to use. Also, you're gonna get the user manual and a carrying case. I want to show you a few things about the device first. There's USB-A and USB-C port. You can charge all your devices. There's a flashlight. This is the port for the jump start cable, and this is the port for the air compressor cable. This is how you turn it on. You press the power button and you hold it for 3 seconds. And then from here you can change different modes. The first one is for the car. This one is motorcycle, this one is bike, and this one is for bow. And then when you, let's say if you want to use the car mode, originally it goes to bar. You can change it to PSI from here, and then you can change the PSI from plus and minus button. And this one, from this button, you can turn on the flashlight, and there are 3 different modes on the flashlight. Now I'm gonna pump the tire on my car. The recommended PSI is 33. I will connect the device now to the tire and it will show me what's the current PSI. It's 30. Now I will set up the PSI to 33 and I will press the start button, and once it reaches 33, the device will stop. You don't have to press anything. If you have a dead battery, you simply connect the clamps, follow the instruction on the screen, and use it to jumpstart your vehicle. It works with up to 12 liters gas engine and 10 liters diesel engine. For me, this is one of those products that's better to have and not need than need and not have it. I like that it combines a jump starter, tire inflator, flashlight, and power bank all in one compact device. It's small enough to keep it in the truck or back seat, so it's always ready for emergencies.